Sabihan mo yan 10 times in father.
Father, 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 father.
Nangyayingis yung pakpak.
Feather.
Nangyayingis yung pakpak.
Feather.
Sure? Yeah.
Ano nga eh?
Nanya.
Feather. Father.
Nangyayingis yung pakpak.
Feather.
Katangya ka rin malbe. Nangyayingising
Guys, ano ang Tagalog na? Naning English na ning. Comment down below.
Hi guys, kung bago ka sa video ko, make sure na follow ka, share, and subscribe. Thank you!